Rollei Retro 100 Tonal is a medium-speed black and white negative film with fine grain that retains sharpness and is one of only 2 early orthochromatic films available today. Orthochromatic film is more sensitive to blues and greens and doesn't render the spectrum as well as the newer panchromatic films. This film type creates a nostalgic look that works well for different types of photography, including architectural subjects, landscapes, and portraits. You can also find this film emulated in Silver Efex Pro as one of the newer black and white film types. Under the film types, you will find a drop-down menu that includes a selection of films organized by ISO. By selecting Rollei Retro 100 Tonal, you will see a live update that emulates this film's amount of grain, sensitivity, and levels and curves. You can move the sliders to customize these different options. Let's take a quick look at the finishing adjustments to customize the look of this image. There are 4 sections that you can choose from that can be done in the darkroom and can be emulated in Silver Efex Pro. To add overall color to our image, select the toning drop-down menu and choose from a range of 24 toning presets. Let's choose a light ambrotype number 22. When you see an arrow pointing to the right, be sure to click on it or next to the text to expand the section for a custom split tone effect. Move some of the sliders to see the different strength and hues. You can always reset a section back to its default by clicking on the arrow on the far right of that section. Vignette also has a selection of presets to choose from light to dark edges. Expand the section to change the amount or strength, the shape and size. You can even move the center point by clicking on the Place Center button and moving the default center position to any other position on the image. You can define which edge to enhance rather than all 4 edges at the same time with the Burn Edges section. Finish this image by selecting from one of 14 different image border styles. Again, don't forget to expand the section to get access to even more creative options. Try out the Rollei Retro 100 Tonal film type in Silver Efex Pro, and then add some finishing adjustments to make it your own.